Are you searching for best Hgdo Car Dash Cam? Hey guys, I am Joni. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best Hgdo Car Dash Cam front and rear in 2024. Number 1, Hgdo M210 4K 2K Dash Cam. Why choose Hgdo 4K 2K Dash Cam mirror? High-end Huawei high silicon chip, the most realistic 4K image quality and the most agile operation. The chip determines the camera's video quality, operating sensitivity, and service life. 4K front camera and 2K back camera provide crucial details to back you up in an unexpected incident. Smart voice control system of this car camera is hand-free operation, easier and quicker to operate. GPS with speed and location, exactly know when/where the events happened. Safe reversing aid and parking monitor. Dashcam, keep an eye on your car when reversing in parking. The Wi-Fi function allows you to watch the recorded video in real time on your mobile phone. G-sensor lock emergency video on dashboard camera as important evidence. Number 2, Hgdo D5 66 12-inch Wi-Fi car DVR 4K Dash Cam. Main functions: 5 screen displays, support 5 screen display models, full screen display, split screen display, half screen display, support GPS track, support G-sensor, lock emergency video, support loop recording, new file auto overwrites old file when card is full. Support parking guard, support 24H parking monitor. The rear camera screen can be switched from left to right, the rear camera screen can be switched from up to down, the reversing screen can be zoomed in and out, and the reversing angle can be adjusted. Support speed and time display, support voice control, only support English now, support night vision, support Wi-Fi function. You can watch, share, download the recorded videos on your phone. Number 3, Hgdo D4 66 12-inch car DVR 4K Dash Cam. New version D566. D566 equals D466 Wi-Fi function. View, save, and share the dashcam real-time footage or playback videos recordings wirelessly for fun or for insurance purposes with the app by connecting the dashcam's Wi-Fi function. Specification: chip, Hsilicon 3559 V200, memory card, Class 10 TF card, 8 to 256 GB, video resolution, 3840x2160, 4K, 1920x 1080p, camera lens, Sony IMX415, installation method optional. 1. Straps to your mirror. 2. Replaces the original mirror with our bracket and recorder. 3. Mounts to the dashboard with our dashboard console. Number 4, Hgdo 12-inch 4G car DVR 3-in-1 dash camera, f20 specification, -10 INCH, built-in battery, support 4G network system, Android 8.1, quad-core 1.4 GHz, -2 GB DDR3 32 GB flash memory, -1920 380 resolution IPS screen, camera, 1280 720p 1920 1080p, capacitive touchscreen, support GPS navigation, support Bluetooth hands-free call, support FM transmitter to connect car original speaker for better sound effect, support Wi-Fi connection, enable to connect hotspot of smartphone. As well as share hotspot to smartphone, support ADAS lane warning, advanced driving alarm systems, LDWS/FCWS/FVMA. It is useful alarm systems to keep your driving safer. Multi-language is supported: English, Spanish, French, Germany, Italian, Portuguese, Polish, Russian, Korean, Japanese, etc. CarKeeper mobile app. Internet surfing equals remote monitor. Number 5, Hgdo 10-inch touch video recorder rear view camera mirror dash cam. Specification: display screen size, 10-inch HD touchscreen, power battery type, built-in, input, 5V2A, chargeway, car charger plug into cigar lighter, front camera, 1920 1080p, wide angle, 170-degree wide angle, video format, iMovie, image format, JPEG, function. Dual camera recording simultaneously, yes. Auto reverse parking view, yes. 2 split view display simultaneously, yes. Adjust screen brightness, yes. Loop. Cycle recording, yes. Shock sensor, yes. 24H parking monitor, yes. You need to buy the 24H parking monitor cable. Simply adjust the view angle on screen, yes. Sliding screen to switch front and rear cameras, yes. Strong night vision, yes. Turn on/off button sound, yes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.